is for apple, red and round. Can you say apple? Shout it loud. Apple, apple, crunch, crunch, crunch. A is for apple, yum for lunch. B is for ball, bouncing high. Can you say ball? Give it a try. Ball, ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. B is for ball, that's what counts. C is for cat, soft and sweet. Can you say cat? She's neat. Cat, cat, meow, meow, meow. C is for cat, say it now. D is for dog, running so fast. Can you say dog? That's a blast. Dog, dog, woof, woof, woof. D is for dog, that's the truth. E is for eggs in the pan. Can you say eggs? Yes, you can. Eggs, eggs, crack, crack, crack. E is for eggs, breakfast snack. F is for fish, swimming free. Can you say fish? Say it with me. Fish, fish, splash, splash, splash. F is for fish, swim and dash. G is for goat, munching hay. Can you say goat? Hooray! Goat, goat, bleat, bleat, bleat. G is for goat, oh so sweet. H is for hat, on your head. Can you say hat? That's what I said. Hat, hat, wear it bright. H is for hat, fits just right. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. Can you say ice cream one or twice? Ice cream, yum, yum, yum. I is for ice cream, come get some. J is for jump, up and down. Can you say jump all around? Jump, jump, hop, hop, hop. J is for jump, don't stop. K is for kite, flying high. Can you say kite? In the sky. Kite, kite, up, up, up. K is for kite, what luck! L is for lion, strong and loud. Can you say lion? Be proud! Lion, lion, roar, roar, roar. L is for lion, hear him soar. M is for moon, shining bright. Can you say moon? What a sight! Moon, moon, up so high. M is for moon, in the sky. N is for nest, birds inside. Can you say nest? Say it with pride. Nest, nest, chirp, chirp, cheer. N is for nest, what a tree! O is for orange, juicy and sweet. Can you say orange? What a treat! Orange, orange, peel and eat. O is for orange, can't be beat. P is for pig, rolling in mud. Can you say pig? Thud, and dud, queeg, twink, boink, oink, oink. P is for pig, what a point. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Can you say queen? Up and down. Queen, queen, wave your hand. Q is for queen, she's grand. R is for rabbit, hopping fast. Can you say rabbit? That's a blast. Rabbit, rabbit, hop, hop, hop. R is for rabbit, don't stop. S is for sun, shining bright. Can you say sun? What a light! Sun, sun, warm and high. S is for sun, in the sky. T is for tree, tall and green. Can you say tree? What a scene! Tree, tree, grow, grow, grow. T is for tree, now you know. U is for umbrella in the rain. Can you say umbrella again and again? Umbrella, umbrella, open wide. U is for umbrella, stay dry inside. V is for van, driving by. Can you say van? Oh my! Van, van, beep, beep, beep. V is for van, let's go beep. W is for water, clean and cool. Can you say water? It's a rule. Water, water, splash, splash, splash. W is for water, wash and dash. X is for xylophone, play that tune. Can you say xylophone? Son, xylophone, xylophone, ting, ting, ting. X is for xylophone, sing, sing, sing. Y is for yellow, bright and fun. Can you say yellow every is for yellow, full of light. Z is for zebra, black and white. Can you say zebra? That's right! Zebra, zebra, run so fast. Z is for zebra, we learned them all at last. Now we know our ABCs. A to Z, come sing with me. Clap your hands, shout hooray!